Guys, do you want to learn how to run C or C++ programming in Eclipse IDE? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will be showing you how to set up Eclipse IDE for C or C++ programming. So let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for MinGW64 download. And guys, here you can see search result sourceforge.net. This is the website from where you can download. Simply click on this link. Okay, so guys, it will redirect me to this page, sourceforge.net. Now here we have download button, but don't click on this download button, just go to this files tab. And now guys, in this files tab, just scroll down and here you can see different downloads available. You can select download as per your system. So I'm just selecting this download 7.3.0. in that this 64-bit architecture download I'm selecting. So I've just clicked on that and it's showing me your download will start shortly. And guys, you can see my download has been started. It will not take more time guys, and you can see the download is done. This is a zip file, so we need to extract this file. So simply I'm going to location of this file. So here is my download folder. In this zip file is there, so I'm going to simply extract it. So I'm just extracting this file, so you can use whatever extractor you have on your system and just extract it. So guys, the extraction is done and this file is there in my download folder, and I'm going to just cut this and I'm going to paste in C drive. This is not mandatory step, you can keep in other folder also. So I'm just taking this MinGW folder from this folder, and I'm going to cut this and I'm going to paste this in C drive. So here I've just taken this folder, cut, and now I'm going to C drive, and here guys I'm simply pasting this folder. Okay, now the next step is setting the path of this MinGW into the environmental variable. So for that, let's simply go to this C drive, MinGW and bin. Okay, and copy this path guys, and now you can close all this and let's open environmental variable. So in search, simply you can type env, and here guys you can see we have option edit the environmental variable. So now I'm going to select this. Here we have environmental variable button, simply click on it. Now under system variable we have a path variable, so select it and click on edit button. And here guys you need to click on new option and then paste the copied path. And now guys click on OK, and one more time OK. So guys, the path setup of MinGW is done. So guys, now let's move to the next step. Next step is what? Eclipse installation. So if you are not having Eclipse IDE, you can install it. The video link I have given in description box, as well as you can click on I button to watch that video. Now here I have started my Eclipse IDE. I am having latest Eclipse IDE. So previously I have done Java program, so let me just close it guys. And now I will be showing you that here in file menu I don't have any option for creating C or C++ program. Okay, so you can see file, even if you go to other option you will not get any option for creating C or C++ project, right? So now we will install a new software. So guys, now let's install software for C or C++ in Eclipse IDE. So for that you need to go to help menu, and here guys you need to click on install new software. Okay, so now it will show you this screen. Here you need to click on this drop down and select all available sites. Okay, now it will search all available sites, so it will take a moment guys. It's showing me pending over here, so let's wait for it. Now you can see it has shown me all the available sites. Here you can see we have different sites available for different work. So we will scroll down, and here we have option programming languages. Just check mark this. So now here you can see all different programming language tools are available. Tools related to PHP, JavaScript and all that. Okay, so here you can see we have two important tools for C programming, that is development tools and development tools SDK. I'm not installing all the programming languages tool. I will be installing only this development tools and development tools SDK. So I'm simply just checking these tools, guys. I will be clicking on this next button. So it is going to calculate the requirement. So again, it will take a time, and now here it's showing me installation details. So this thing will be installed. So here you can see under C or C++ development, these are the things which will be installed. Under SDK, these are the things will be installed. Okay, so you don't have to do anything, just this is a review part. You need to simply click on this next button, and now accept the license and terms by now accept the license and term by selecting this and click on finish button. And here, guys, you can see at the down right side the software installation has been started, and it will take a while. You have to wait for it. So guys, the installation of software is done. Now it is asking me to restart the Eclipse IDE for applying this installation. So yes, I will restart. So here I am going to click on restart now button, and now guys, my Eclipse IDE has been restarted. And now here we will go to file menu. Guys, as you can see in file menu, I am not getting any option for C or C++ project. So I will be changing perspective. So you need to go to this right side option. Here we have option for change perspective. Just select it and select C or C++. And now guys, let's go to file menu again, and here you can see now we are getting options related to C or C++ projects. So guys, here I will be selecting create project. If you don't change perspective, if you keep any other perspective, then you won't be getting a C or C++ project option. So make sure that you have selected C or C++ perspective. And now here file menu, create project. And guys, here you can see it's showing me template. I will be selecting C++ manage build. If you want to create C program, you have to select first option. Now guys, here you need to provide project name. So I will be giving some name to this project. So here I am simply providing project name as hello demo, and below guys you can see location we have. So by default, whatever is your workspace directory, that will be taken as location. If you wish to change, you can uncheck this checkbox and click on browse button and select the location wherever you want to save this project. And guys, here basic project and HelloWorld project. So I'm taking HelloWorld project, and here you can see, and guys, here you can see in tool chains it's showing me my MinGW compiler. Hence I told you to install MinGW first. So just click on finish button, and boom guys, you can see my project has been created. Initially it will show you error because it does indexing. So as soon as indexing completes, the error is gone. And now here I'm just expanding the project directory. You can see my project directory, and here we have the code for C programming. This is a default code. If you want to create your code, you can create that. So I will be running this code only. So let's do that. So we will go to this build menu and we will build it. So guys, you can see I'm getting 0 errors and 0 warning. So that means my code has been built. Now let's run this project. So guys, now to run this, just select this play button, select run as local C or C++ application, and boom guys, you can see it's showing me my output over here. Hello world it's showing. So whatever was my code, it's showing me my output. Let's modify this code and add some lines over here. So I'm simply adding some lines here, and now guys, I'm just saving by pressing Ctrl S. And let's run it again. So guys, you can see now I'm getting my change output over here. Guys, this way you can set up your Eclipse IDE for running C or C++ application. So guys, if really my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any query, please put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, do share my video with your friends if you really liked it. And guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes related to computer science and IT on my social media, Telegram channel, and even on Insta. You can join or follow that. All my social media link I have given in description box. You can check that. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then guys, keep watching and keep learning.